Lisa with WTI. Are you looking for that cute boho gift for your girlfriend and you haven't been able to find it? Stop looking around because you have found it right here, and I'll show you why. These Bohemian earrings are beautiful. I truly love that rustic Bohemian vibe that it can give to your outfit. The shape and the shining ornaments makes them look more modern and beautiful as well. I want you to take a look at the size. They are perfect. They're not too big, they're not too small. They're medium, and it goes well with everything, literally. The fact that they're gold color can match so many outfits, and you can either wear it with your hair down, with your hair up, have a more boho look. You choose. I know this would truly make that ideal gift you were looking for. So stop looking around for that perfect gift. Go for these. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.